in 2011 and is located in Zhengzhou City, China, enjoying convenient transportation and beautiful environment. Our hold company covers an area of 4,900 square meters. We are specialized in dewatering machine, shredder machine, and related solid liquid separator machines. All our products are past the CE testing, and we have been gradually improving our machines to get more quality certifications. After several years' development, we have achieved great progress. We can provide animal waste treatment, kitchen waste disposal, plant dehydration treatment solutions, and so on. Our R&D department provide the strong technical support and enable us to receive some OEM/ODM projects. Since Furoy's establishment, we have been seeking unity inside and development concept outside. We adhere to the concept of customer first and service to society. Besides, we have professional engineer, high-efficiency sales team, and competitive price superiority, and attract customers from all over the world. And with high-quality and sweet service, our machines have exported to over 50 countries, including Europe, Poland, Serbia, Turkey, Russia, USA, Mexico, Brazil, India, Thailand, Middle East, and South Africa. Furoy is dedicated to being the most reliable dewatering machine supplier in China market. We are committed to offering the most professional products and service to the customers in the world. We warmly welcome all customers from at home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success.